God help me, we got us a race car. So we got us a 16 RCF here with a misfire concern. So it's misfiring on cylinder 5. Let me show y'all how I diagnose this vehicle. First thing I like to do with a misfire concern is I like to check the wiring on the injector and on the coil for the cylinder that's misfiring. If those both look okay, I will then take the coil itself, I will swap it with another coil on another cylinder, and if it does not jump, then I then know that the coil pack is good. My third step that I will take is I will then take the plug and I will swap it to a different cylinder. In this case, I took the plug out of cylinder 5 and I swapped it with cylinder 2 because cylinder 2 was easy to get to. We started out with a cylinder 5 misfire, and then after we swapped the plug to cylinder 2, here's what we have. Cylinder 2 is just steadily misfiring away. That was how cylinder 5 was doing before I actually swapped the plug over to cylinder 2. With all that being said, we've went ahead and recommended to replace all the spark plugs on this vehicle. I went ahead and performed an inspection on it too. With it having low miles, I went ahead and recommended the services that I think are necessary.